Welcome back to the RackNerd TV YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials for all your web hosting needs. I'm Christian, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of installing free AutoSSL for your domain with the LEMP stack on the AlmaLinux OS. It's going to be an exciting and informative journey, so let's go ahead and dive right in. But before we get started, let's quickly understand what an AutoSSL is and why you should consider using it for your hosting websites. AutoSSL is short for Automated SSL, and it is a powerful feature that automatically secures your website with SSL certificates. SSL, or Secured Sockets Layer, ensure that the data exchange between your website and your visitor is encrypted and secure. It's critical for protecting sensitive information like passwords, credit card details, and other personal data. And just so you know, we are using Let's Encrypt by CertBot for this method of obtaining AutoSSLs for our domain with the LEMP stack, which means that it is completely free. This means that you can secure your websites without any additional cost. Plus, it saves you the hassle of manually obtaining and renewing SSL certificates. Having a valid SSL certificate for your domain from a verified provider like CertBot can benefit you for enhanced security by encrypting the data transmission. You build trust with your visitors and improve your website's credibility. Additionally, search engines like Google give preferences to websites with SSL certificates, which can positively impact your search engine rankings. Now let's go ahead and jump into the step-by-step tutorial on how to install free AutoSSL on your domain with LEMP stack on AlmaLinux OS by using CertBot. Make sure you are following along closely, and don't worry if you're missing anything. You can find the written instructions in the video description, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm on my screen here, and before I forget, this tutorial assumes that you have already set up an AlmaLinux OS and have the credentials on hand with a LEMP stack, along with a WordPress website setup on it based on our previous tutorials with this LEMP series. You can find our LEMP stack series on our channel or by checking out the link in the description down below so you can follow along with this video. Also, I want to show you the current state of our demo website, which does not have an SSL or HTTPS enabled yet. As you can see here, no HTTPS, which means our SSL is not ready. And if we navigate to the HTTPS link, it will return an error because, as mentioned, it's not ready yet. But later on, we will be able to have it served over to HTTPS once we are done generating our free SSL for this domain. So once it's ready, log into your AlmaLinux OS server via SSH. I am using Bitvice SSH client as always, and don't worry, all the necessary tools and services you can find in the description down below, so check them out whenever you want. Now, once logged in, let's go ahead and update our server packages by running the following command. In the recent tutorial, I believe we already showed you how to point your domain's DNS to your server IP, right? If you forgot, let's just check and make sure that our domain is still using the right DNS configuration before we proceed. Now, go ahead and log into your domain registrar and find the DNS Management section. And just make sure that there is an A record pointing to your server's IP for your root domain or subdomain along with the www. I will be using the subdomain demo.racknerdtv.com for this tutorial. And I believe mine is good. How about yours? So when you're ready, let's go ahead and get into installing CertBot with our server with LEMP. To do this, run the following command. It may take some time, so just be patient. Once installed, generate and install the SSL certificate for your domain using the following command. Just make sure to use your own domain name instead of the demo domain that I will be using, which is only for my own personal preference. Yours should be different based on what you registered in our recent tutorial. So this command will prompt CertBot Wizard to us. So just follow the on-screen instructions to configure the SSL certificate and enable HTTPS for your domain. It should be pretty self-explanatory, but if you're confused, make sure to pay attention to your screen while I go through my own configuration and just follow along with me, okay? And voila, we've successfully installed a free AutoSSL for our domain using Let's Encrypt by CertBot with our LEMP stack on AlmaLinux OS. Our website should now be ready to serve HTTPS on any browser, so let's go ahead and test it out. I also want to mention that the SSL we generate will auto-renew in the background by itself before its expiration date. So you don't really have to worry about setting up a cron job for this method because everything's already automated for you by CertBot. And that's it, your website is now secure and ready to provide safe browsing experiences to all of your visitors. Congratulations. So I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Remember, securing your website is essential, and CertBot's free AutoSSL with the LEMP stack on AlmaLinux OS makes it easier than ever. If you want to learn more about web hosting and other exciting topics, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you ever need any further assistance or have questions about this, don't hesitate to comment down below. And if you happen to need an affordable and reliable VPS solution, be sure to check out our VPS hosting solutions on our website at racknerd.com. We offer instantly set up VPSs along with several different plans to meet your needs. So that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, happy hosting.